Hi, Julia. Julia is... What are you doing, Julia? Huh? Washing what? Broccoli, yeah. And Chloe's eating. Hi, Chloe. Hi. So cute. Okay, Julia, watch the other stalks. Mommy has to cut the broccoli. Get the other ones in the bag. Yep. That's right. There's a whole thing, Julia. Yeah. You got it? Wash that. Good job. You're such a big help, Julia. Thank you. Chloe is eating a cracker. Say hi. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Julia. Wave, Chloe. Wave, Julia. She's busy. All right, love you. Julia, say I love you. I love you too. Love you too. Careful with the